Spirituality and science are commonly thought to be vastly different fields, which they are. Science seeks to know about the world. We study different objects, we discover laws of nature, and so our attention is totally focused on the outside world. Spirituality is knowledge of oneself, not knowledge that can be organized or put into a system that can be studied, but a subjective knowledge, which is also known as wisdom. The true wisdom is to know God. Whenever Gurbani talks about Gyan, Gurbani doesn't talk about the Gyan that's learned through reading, but the knowledge or the realization of God. And there are many pearls in Gurbani which reveal that there is no contradiction between the Guru's word and science. For example, in Japji Sahib, Guru Nanak Dev Ji says, Sais athare kain kateba aslu ik tat. All the Semitic scriptures, the Bible, Quran, Torah, they say that there are 7 worlds. But in reality, there's one universe. Lekhe hoye tan likhiye, lekhe hoye vinas. Guru Nanak Dev Ji says, if I could account for all the worlds that exist, I would. But in this very accounting, I would be destroyed because there are infinite worlds within this one universe, which is constantly expanding, which science knows is constantly expanding. There are millions, billions of planets which are constantly increasing in numbers. Now, as far as specifics, when was the world created? What was the exact date, time? Guru Nanak Dev Ji says, Kavan suvela vakt kavan kavan thit kavan var. Kavan se ruti mah kavan jit hua akar. When was the exact time, date, season when the world was created? Guru Nanak Dev Ji, in his humility, says that there are certain questions which simply cannot be answered. Everybody claims to have the answer. For example, the pundits, the yogis, the qazis, everybody claims to have the answer. But in reality, only the Creator knows. Guruji says, Vel na paya panditi je hove lekh Puran. The pundits don't know this exact moment, even if they keep on reading their scriptures. Vakt na payo kadiya je likhan lekh Quran. The qazis may read the Quran millions of times, but it's not written there either. Titvar na jogi jane rut maho na koi. The yogis don't know either. Ja karta sriti ko saje ape jane soi. The one who has created the world, he himself knows. And when the question of spirituality arises, when the whole effort is to know God, to realize God within, what does it matter when the world was created? What does it matter how many planets, how many universes there are? Guru Nanak Dev Ji, in his humility, doesn't address these questions, but instead turns our attention within. But at the same time, we will find no contradiction between what Guru Nanak Dev Ji says and the latest findings of science.